Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So if you are on the fence on if you should start to trade binary option, I will help you out a little because I'm the only YouTuber that dare to do this. I trade live every single day. So you can follow my screen and copy what I'm doing. Okay? So today, for example, in the session, as you can see, you see a little the trades I've done there. I made a profit of $736. And if you had joined me, you could have done the same. You see the line I was trading up there now? That it's basically that simple. We are printing money. Okay. So first of all, if you want to join me, make sure you join this broker. Just use the link you see up here right now. And also you find a link below the video. You also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, help me out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose a video or my live streams. And if you have any questions, you put them below the video. So, like I said, you can join me every single day. It's a very simple way to do that. You can just join my Telegram or WhatsApp, you find links below. Or I will even post the live video for tomorrow. I will make a live video so you can get a timer, so you can just put a notification when we go live. I basically will go live 7:30 GMT -3 tomorrow. But you don't need to think about anything about that. You find link below the video for the YouTube video. But if you're part of my WhatsApp community or Telegram, you will always get a link to the videos when I go live. And I also, if you don't have the possibility to see my screen, I do every trade I do, I take a screenshot where I take the trade, so you can copy and do the same like I do. I basically write something like this: binary option sell line for Canadian dollar against the Swiss francs, and I put this number you see up there right now, this with a red number. And then every time the bar come up to that one, we put a closing of 30 seconds and we just push down. It's that simple when the bar come up to that line. But it's best you see the screen because I will explain, all this good stuff. So if you want to start to make money, like I said, if you want to be a part of my team, it's basically for free. I do it completely for free. It don't cost nothing to join my live sessions. And we can make some money together. Okay, so once again, make sure you join my WhatsApp and Telegram communities, and also make sure you open with this broker so you can follow me tomorrow, and let's make some more money together tomorrow, because I have now done this for more than 1 year, trading live every single day, and I have only 7 losing days in 1 year. I will say that's a very high win rate. And typically losing days are around $200-300. So you can see today we made, once again, I made $736. And that was much just because of this line you see we were trading here. So I hope I see you tomorrow, and let's make some money together. And if you find another YouTuber that dare to do what I do, to trade live every single day, because it's very easy to come with a strategy and give you recordings where they can fail maybe 10 times and have one good video and they post it, than me that do this live in front of your eyes and show you what really works, not show you these bullshit strategies where they're building an account from $1 to 1 million or whatever they would like to do. I am the real binary option trader, and you will never find anyone like me that dare to do this live. If you have someone that do the same like me, I would really like to see it, because I don't believe it. Because it's not that simple. I have done this for so many years, and you need really to believe in yourself to be able to do live sessions like I do. And I do live sessions 1 hour a day. Today I even did much longer. So once again, I hope I'll see you tomorrow, and let's make some money together. Have an amazing day.